Welcome to the Hot Lap. What's the date? August 3rd. Whoa. August 3rd, Hot Lap number 122. It's a new month, August. Summer's almost over, right? When does summer end? September? September 20-something?
Labor Day.
Damn, Labor Day. Anyway, welcome to a Hot Lap. Oh, that guy crunching over there. You're in the showroom area, brother. You're on set. Anyway, it is a new month, so we got a new giveaway. Last month's giveaway was the stopping power package. We got a winner for that. No, we'll call them later. This month's giveaway is an Origin Lab Aero package giveaway. $1,000.
How are you gonna give that away? We don't have Origin.
I thought we don't have any? Yeah, you know something I don't?
I think you know something I don't.
Oh, wow. I don't know what the plan was.
I'm just kidding. We got a lot of Origin right here.
That guy sucks.
I mean, we got a lot of parts. The container just arrived.
Container arrived. Look, we got some stuff in stock.
This is not even half of it. We have to sort through the rest.
But yeah, we got some stuff. We're doing a $1,000 package to this month's giveaway winner. So every $5 spent on the website, you get one entry.
Eddie, you'll have.
So yeah, we got some stuff. So we got some stuff in stock, as you can see. We're still sorting through it, so give us some time. If you're interested in anything, let us know. Give us a call, shoot us an email. We'll see if we could see if we got it and save it for you. In other news, last week you saw we put up a 15% off summer sale for all the remaining Aero. That is still going on until 11:59 tonight. So if you want something, go check that category on our website of the in-stock stuff that's remaining here. Eastern time, 11:59 Eastern time. And yeah, we got a few more things on the show that we want to get rid of before we stock the new stuff on the shelves. Anyway, let's see what's in the shop. Got an 8.6 on the lift, getting an alignment. Got a seized tie rod, so that's getting changed too. Got this stuff what is this thing in here for? What is this here for?
Evap leak.
Evap leak. On this Lexus. What kind of Lexus is this?
LS 460.
LX 460. That's a weird engine bay.
V8.
V8. Ooh, this thing probably cruises. We got another Lexus in here. ES. Got a lot of sludge in the motor, so pray for that. IS has been here. Oh, we got my truck in here. My good old 4Runner. That the power steering pump went bad, so that's getting changed. Oh, don't look at it. It's real bad in there. Real bad in there. Don't look at that valve cover leak. Anyway, let's see. New video on the YouTube. Frankie drifting the 350. He was mic'd up. Some good clips in that video. For all of you commenting, oh, we need some outside car clips of Frankie drifting. Eddie is the only one recording at these things. He's the only person recording in general. So if you could, what is it called? Clone yourself. That'd be nice to get some outside clips. Also, E-Town is kind of a hard track to get outside clips of. It's just so far, and it takes so long to walk to the other spots, and then it's annoying. We just need more people. Another video of the 350Z got uploaded. Frankie put some Brembo brakes on there, so check that out. He actually found a lot of cool stuff out about running those brakes. Also, last week we had John Fortunato of Daring Ones on the podcast. Go listen to that one. Got kind of dark, but it's good. It's good. If you get past the depressing conversations, it's pretty good. Anyway, let's see what kind of questions we got on the Hot Lap questionnaire. Origin Lab race line looks like shit and is overplayed. The Fab Shop Philip said that. It was overplayed at one point, but there trends come and go. But I don't think it looks like shit. Especially if you have the under panel kit, then it looks good. And if you paint it right, sometimes you could do cool stuff with the lines and stuff. It looks cool. Keichio says, best pop goes punk cover of all time. I say Holy Diver, Kill Switch, Engaged. That's something that Frankie would know. I don't know any of those albums or covers. I mean, are PMU D1 pads worth the wait over EBC Yellow stuff? I would say a lot of people would say yes, but a lot of people also run EBC Yellow, and they are not disappointed with it. Do you think EBC Yellow is a good alternative to D1 drift spec?
I have
PMU?
no idea, honestly.
You have no idea.
No.
What do you got there?
Package. From Wrecked Magazine.
Wreck Magazine issue 4 is out now. It's the one with Palmer's car on the front. We sell it on our website too.
Wow, we got some merch. Ooh, we got some stickers.
Get wrecked.
These are cool.
Okay.
What's that say?
It says okay.
Okay. Okay. That says OG.
Oh, you're OG.
Maybe. I don't know.
Oh, maybe it's an OG design.
Oh, I think it is. Yeah, that's what they call it.
I thought you said okay.
Medium. That's
You
me.
little guy.
You're small, so that's weird. But nice. I love this shirt.
Nice.
This is
What's
awesome.
the other ones though? What's not OG about them?
I don't know, maybe it's a newer design. Whoa! There's someone back there. Oh my god.
Get him out of here. Get him out of here.
That scared me.
Don't let them out.
All right. This is for you.
Oh,
That's a new design.
I like that.
That's for you. Kind of thick.
Like you.
Wait, what is this? A long sleeve, but not a crew neck, really, because it's light.
Just a thick long sleeve.
Thick, long sleeve.
Pretty cool. I like that.
Yeah. Good. It's for you too. Oh.
Whoa. Oh, Keiichiro had a question for you. Best pop goes punk cover of all time.
Yeah, I saw this question. I don't know. Wait. Yes, I do. Toxic. Britney Spears. A Static Lullaby. Yeah. By far.
Wow.
Knows ball.
He knows ball.
Yeah, he said Kill Switch Engage. Is that a pop song? I don't even know the original song.
Holy
Sounds Kim.
Diver, Kill Switch Engage.
Is that song Holy Diver a pop song that Kill Switch Engage redid or covered? You know that song?
Holy Diver by Dio?
Yeah. Is that a pop song?
No, that's a metal song.
That's a metal song, right? Yeah, okay. So that's not a pop song, so that's not Pop Goes Punk. That's Metal Goes Punk. No, that's Metal Goes Metal. That's just a cover.
Metal on metal.
Yeah. So your answer is not right.
Damn.
Yeah.
Somebody said, will y'all ever come to Houston for a Knuckle Up event? Yes.
Sure.
Yeah. Or you could give us a knuckle sandwich if we don't.
When are we gonna do that? We have no idea. But
Yeah, they didn't ask when. But yeah, sure, we'll do it. It will happen.
damn, these are cool. So check out wreckmagazine.com if you want to get some of this stuff. We got the magazines, of course, in stock here. But check out their website if you want merch, because we don't have any of this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I was saying, guys, we got Origin. Hit us up. Hit us up, man. We got a whole bunch of wings, under panels. Look at this. This is a little sneak preview of what we got going on. Look at all those hoods. Look at all those hoods. We got them. Give us a call. 201-933-2635. Faction Motorsports, East Rutherford, New Jersey. 079 073. Sales at factionmotorsports.com. Hit us up. Hit us up. Just keep hitting us up. We got it in stock. Hot, hot. Yeah, we got it. Hot, hot. Yeah, hot chocolate. You know where that's from? The Polar Express. Hit us up. Go to the website. Get your Origin. We got it.
In stock Aero.
Yes, I did.
All right. Today's last.
Yeah, but 11:59 p.m. Eastern. Did I spit on the camera?
Yeah. Do we have enough roof wing?
Roof wing. The roof is on fire.
My God, hop down the street.
Yeah, I hopped down the street, burned down. Damn.
All right. If you need roof wings, get them now. These are gonna sell out quick. They are, right? I would say.
Yeah. Yo,
Roof wing.
we should show them that big ass wing over there. First person to buy this wing, you get a fat kiss. Look at that. Origin wing. That's that one. Look how cool that is.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Part number is CW-M7. Oh no, or CW-M2. Either one of them. Either one of those. But yeah, that's it, guys. See you on the next one. We got too much work to do, so goodbye. Oh, I forgot to call the winner.
Hello?
Hey, my dad.
Yeah, who's this?
Hey, this is Malcolm calling from Faction Motorsports.
What's up?
Hey, I don't know if you know, but last month, every $5 spent on the website got you into our raffle for a brake package giveaway, and I just want to let you know that you won.
To which website?
Faction Motorsports.
Awesome Motorsports?
Yeah, you bought all the body kit and arrows.
Yes.
Yeah, we were doing
Yes, I did.
Yeah, we were giving a giveaway and for it was a raffle for like a brake package, and you won. So you'll be able to choose about. You have $1,000 to choose any type of brake package that you'd like. We'll send you an email later so you can figure out what you want.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right, no problem.
Thank you. Appreciate it, man.
No problem. I'll send you an email later.
All right.
All right, have a good one.
All right.
Bye. That didn't go as planned.
Yes, he had no fucking idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, every time, dude.
He's like, what? What website? All right,
What
anyway.
did he order?
A car modified wonder, fenders, body kit.
Oh, we ordered a lot of.
Yeah, it was a lot of money.
Okay.
As I was saying before, goodbye, everybody. Bye. We're busy. We gotta go. Goodbye.